Explore Visakhapatnam's unique portable natural history museum. Imagine stepping into a world where nature's wonders are just a touch away. At the edge of a charming garden in Visakhapatnam, a simple log of wood tells a fascinating story. This log, once the home of a carpenter bee that drilled a perfect circular hole, has become a centerpiece at the Natural History Museum created by Wild, a passionate nature education group founded by K. Vimal Raj. Unlike traditional museums where exhibits are locked behind glass, here, you can touch, turn, and truly engage with the exhibits, making every visit a hands-on adventure into the wild. Just a few steps from the log, you'll find a stunning umbrella-shaped mushroom, a Ganoderma species, discovered at the King George Hospital, proudly displayed alongside a table brimming with seeds of all shapes and sizes. Each seed is a tiny lesson in the incredible world of plant life, adaptation, and survival. The museum is a treasure trove of natural wonders, featuring intricately woven bird nests, starfish specimens, spider molts, and an array of rocks showcasing various textures and colors. But what sets Wild's Natural History Museum apart is its portability. It can pop up in living rooms, community halls, classrooms, or gardens, anywhere curious minds gather. During a recent session in a residential society's open space, children and adults alike were captivated as Vimal shared the stories behind each specimen. From the life cycle of a spider to the vital role of decomposers, and the fascinating journey of seeds, every detail sparked curiosity and wonder. This isn't just about looking at nature, Vimal emphasizes. It's about noticing the everyday lives of creatures around us and understanding that everything is interconnected. The museum is designed to inspire that sense of wonder, encouraging participants to observe their surroundings and ask questions about the nests, spider webs, and fallen leaves they encounter. Curated in collaboration with environmental groups and independent researchers, the museum showcases contributions from diverse backgrounds. Supported by the Youth Conservation Action Network, UCAN, a non-profit dedicated to placing earth educators in every school across India, this initiative is just getting started in Visakhapatnam, with plans to expand to other cities in the future. The exhibits, some dating back millennia, include rocks collected from various geological pockets of the region. Vimal notes, for a keen observer, nature speaks through tracks and signs. That's how this museum was born, from fallen feathers, rattling gulmohar seed pods, and the many little things we often overlook. Each object tells a story, sparking scientific curiosity and discussions, and even inspiring myths and folktales. It's all about reconnecting with our immediate natural surroundings. The museum sessions are interactive and last about an hour, inviting children to gently handle specimens under supervision, examine them with magnifying glasses, ask questions, sketch their observations, or simply sit back and marvel. Beyond natural artifacts, the exhibits also feature terrariums, samples from local food systems, and curated displays on sustainability and climate change. Rachita Gupta, who attended a recent session with her 2 sons, described it as a magical experience. The interactive display of preserved insects and plants sparked so much curiosity and respect for nature. The kids were fascinated by the spider specimen and its delicate preservation, which led to discussions at home about spider webs and their patterns. The mushroom was another highlight. Its sheer size and umbrella-like structure were unlike anything we had seen before, she shared, noting how the experience changed their perspective on trees, soil, fungi, and even insects. As the museum continues to grow, it invites support from curators to help collect, organize, and curate its diverse exhibits, as well as contribute to its design and educational approach. Nature educators are encouraged to join the initiative, engaging participants through the exhibits while developing a broader curriculum that connects climate and nature education. The museum also welcomes partnerships with schools, learning centers, conservation NGOs, and other organizations dedicated to science and nature education, aiming to create a collaborative, evolving museum that is vibrant and alive. At its core, the Natural History Museum is an invitation to slow down, notice, and engage with the world around us. Its portability means it can be set up in schools, parks, homes, or workplaces, reminding us that nature is everywhere and learning about it shouldn't be confined to textbooks or occasional field trips. This museum brings the wild closer to everyone, making it accessible and engaging. If you're part of a school, community group, or company interested in hosting a session with the museum, reach out to Wild at 733-088-0274 and embark on a journey of discovery.